Welcome to Q&A Wire.
What is the relationship between the following two molecules? So those two molecules are different only by configuration of chiral centers. So they are not constitutional isomers. Now let's look at configuration. This center has opposite configuration. This center has the same configuration. This opposite and opposite. So some centers have opposite configurations, some centers have same configuration. So they are stereoisomers which are not mirror images. So they are diastereomers. For mirror images, all centers must be opposite. So they are diastereomers.